We know you're here because you're serious about making your print-on-demand business thrive in 2025. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. But here's the deal. Success does not happen by accident. Do not wait to plan it. Whether you're a total beginner or already running a successful shop, the POD market is evolving fast, and you need to keep up. Which is why it's critical to have a clear plan in place. I'm here to walk you through the key goals you need to focus on and provide actionable strategies that are practical, not just aspirational. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your POD store for success in 2025. And to make it even easier, we're sharing a free checklist to help you map out your strategy step by step. The POD market is projected to grow by nearly $20 billion over the next 4 years, and it's expanding worldwide at an unprecedented rate. If you want a piece of that pie, then the time to act is now. So let's get to growing your business. I want you to grab your calendars right now. Yes, I'll wait. Got it? Great. Here's the first step. Mark all of the key shopping dates, holidays, and events you want to target. This will help you plan products, promotions, content, and campaigns timely and effectively around what's most important for your niche. To make this easier for you, we've created the ultimate e-commerce calendar as a guide. All right, let's walk through an example together. Say you want to launch a patriotic-themed collection. Think bold, red, white, and blue designs, perfect for celebrating Independence Day. Shoppers typically start looking for 4th of July products as early as mid-May, with most purchases peaking in late June leading up to the holiday. Here's the key. New products should ideally launch at least 3 months in advance to give them time to gain traction. Since late June is the peak buying period, you'll need to launch the collection by April at the very latest. Why so early? Remember, algorithms, ads, and social media campaigns need time to align with what people are searching for. The earlier you launch, the better chance your products have to be seen by the right buyers. Now that we know that April is the launch month, we can work backwards to create smaller, actionable goals. Product research. Conduct trend research and identify what shoppers want a few months prior to launch. So in our case, January or February. If you want to capitalize on 4th of July this year, this is your sign to start now. Design creation. Finalize product designs and mock-ups from February to March. Marketing prep. About a month before your launch, plan your content calendar. Create social media campaigns and set up ads leading into the launch. This might look like a product tease in early April, social media content and targeted ads between late April and early May, and a full promotional push beginning mid-May to June. When you repeat this method for all your target dates and products, like back to school, Halloween, Christmas, you'll break down these big goals into smaller, achievable tasks. This way, you'll stay organized and focused on the 5 major goals that every POD seller, no matter their experience level, should aim for in 2025. Why it's critical. Customers are drawn to cohesive brands with a unique visual appeal that resonates with them. A strong brand identity builds trust, encourages loyalty, and helps your shop stand out amongst the competition. Without it, customers will probably see your store as a random collection of one-off products. Imagine a store selling a poster for metalheads, a cute cherry-decorated pillow for teen girls, and a bottle of supplements for vegan hikers. Confusing, right? Your product copy, color schemes, and even your About Us section would feel like a mismatch. It screams quick cash grab rather than passion or intention. On the other hand, a brand built with thought and purpose is instantly recognizable. Not only does it make your products memorable, but also simplifies your workflow. No more reinventing the wheel for every product or post. With a defined aesthetic, you'll find it easier to create content, mock-ups, and marketing materials. Beginners, here's your action plan. Pick one niche. Focus on one group of customers to cater to. For example, metalheads, trendy teens decorating their bedrooms, or outdoorsy adventurers. Use beginner-friendly tools like Adobe Express, Kittl, or Canva to create a simple logo, a skull for metalheads, a silhouette for trendy teens, or a tree emblem for hikers. Define your color palette. Select colors that align with your audience. Metalheads might prefer darker tones like black, crimson, or gray, while a 14-year-old girl may go for pastels or bright, bubbly colors. Meanwhile, earthy greens, browns, or naturals will probably resonate with our hikers. Now, this doesn't mean that metalheads can't like bright colors and teen girls don't like dark colors. It's all about knowing your customer base and their preferences. Maybe your audience are teenage metalhead girls. Set up a branded social media profile. Choose a consistent look for your profile pic, banners, and posts that reflect your niche's aesthetic. Seasoned veterans, aim for these things. Audit your current branding. Look at your store and identify inconsistencies. Are your product photos cohesive? Are your fonts and colors consistent across listings and social media? Upgrade your visuals. Invest in tools like Adobe Illustrator for more professional designs, or consider hiring a graphic designer or branding consultant to refine your image. Share your story. Build deeper connections by telling your brand's origin. What inspired your love for metal music? Why are you passionate about trendy home decor? Where does your outdoorsy lifestyle come from? Personalize orders. Use branded inserts, labels, and gift messages to go the extra mile with your customers. It can be as simple as a thank you note in your brand colors or a small label featuring your logo. Relying on just one product type limits your growth potential and audience reach. By offering complementary products, you can cater to different wants within your niche, increase order value, and encourage buyers to come back. And it keeps your store fresh and exciting. If you're selling t-shirts for metalheads, why not add hoodies or mugs with the same edgy designs? Trendy teens redecorating their rooms might love posters, pillows, and wall art to complement their aesthetic. And outdoor folks aren't just looking for clothing. They'll also find that tote bags, water bottles, and hats suit their active lifestyle. By expanding intentionally with products your audience already wants, you'll make more sales without reinventing the wheel. If you're a beginner, start with 2 to 3 core products. Focus on products that are easy to design and appeal directly to your niche. Identify trending products. Regularly checking places like Printify's bestseller list, Etsy's popular now badges, and eRank's monthly trends list can help you spot high-demand products. Create niche-specific designs that resonate with your audience's tastes and interests. Bundle simple products. Encourage higher order values with small product bundles. And get creative with it. A matching t-shirt and sticker set for your metalheads. A desk decor bundle with a notebook, poster, and pencil case for those trendy teens. Or a weekend hiking kit with a tote bag, bucket hat, and water bottle. And for those of you who are a bit more experienced, start by expanding your catalog with complementary items. Adding products that naturally pair with what you already sell provides a more complete shopping experience. Explore cross-niche opportunities. Blend 2 niches to appeal to overlapping audiences and open new revenue streams, like mental wellness products for trendy teens or pet products for pet owners who love the outdoors. Offer personalized products for a premium experience. This adds extra value and makes more memorable products for customers. Bundle products into themed sets. Create curated bundles to increase average order value and provide a thoughtful buying experience. Think gift sets, seasonal kits, or occasion-based collections. No matter how amazing your products or designs are, you won't make any sales if customers can't find them. Your products get found on places like Amazon, Etsy, and Google with proper search engine optimization, or SEO. This means websites rely on specific keywords in your shop, product titles, and tags to show your listings to the right buyers. Think like a buyer here. If you were to look for your product on the internet, what terms would you type into the search bar? A store selling metalhead merch might need to rank for terms like skull graphic t-shirt or band-inspired hoodie. A shop catering to trendy teens should include something like retro room decor or aesthetic college dorm. And an outdoor adventure store can target phrases like hiking essentials, custom water bottles, or nature-themed blankets. By optimizing for specific search terms, your items will have a higher chance to appear at the top of those search results, boosting your visibility and sales. For beginners out there, research niche-specific keywords. Tools like Etsy Search Bar, Google Trends, and eRank are completely free and help identify popular terms in your niche. Optimize product titles, descriptions, and tags. Add your main keywords to your titles and descriptions so they sound natural. Avoid keyword stuffing, aka throwing together a random string of keywords. Focus on one sales platform. Put your energy into one platform to avoid spreading yourself too thin while learning optimization basics. Test and refine keywords. Review your shop analytics to see which keywords are getting eyes on your products. If a product is underperforming, adjust your keywords. For experienced sellers, try advanced SEO tools for deeper insights. Leverage tools like eRank, Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Analytics for competitive analysis and trending search data. Target seasonal and trend-based keywords by updating product listings to reflect seasonal events and trending searches. Explore new combinations of keywords to capture a broader audience. Just like expanding our product offering, we can expand SEO opportunities by cross-niching keywords. Improve product photography and descriptions. Algorithms on platforms like Etsy favor listings with high-quality photos, informative descriptions, and consistent engagement. Update product descriptions and photos to highlight unique selling points. Use personalization to boost visibility. Personalized products are highly searched and favored by customers. Add terms like custom and personalized into your SEO strategy. A strong social media strategy allows you to showcase your products, build a loyal community, and tap into trends that can take your brand viral. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are powerful tools to drive traffic and sales to your POD store. Today's world, especially younger audiences, is drawn to brands that engage, entertain, and connect with them on a personal level. That metalhead merch store could engage with edgy, humorous memes. Or our trendy home decor shop could showcase aesthetic bedroom decor through room makeovers and unboxing TikToks. Our outdoor brand might share hiking tips, scenic trail photos, and products like tote bags and water bottles in real-world use. Social media isn't just about posting. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience, builds trust, and encourages sharing. Start here if you're a beginner seller. Pick one social platform to focus on. Find out where your target customer is hanging out online and are most active. Younger audiences lean towards TikTok, while older folks tilt towards Facebook. Those planning their aesthetic might be pinning ideas on Pinterest, while those sharing their latest travel photos might be on Instagram. Showcase your products in action through demos, styled mock-ups, unboxing videos, or, best of all, user-generated content, also known as UGC. Use trending hashtags and audio. Stay updated with popular trends, challenges, and sounds, and use them to get creative with your niche. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, post polls. The more you engage, the more you'll learn what your audience wants and is willing to spend their money on. Post consistently. Start with 2 to 3 posts a week and focus on quality visuals. They don't need to be anything fancy or complex. Easy design tools like Adobe Express or Canva can help you create professional posts quickly. Try out some of these strategies if you're a seasoned seller. Diversify your content. Experiment with new types of content to keep your feed fresh and engaging. Behind the scenes, Time-lapse videos, product teasers, educational info are just a few examples. Collaborate with niche influencers. Partner with micro-influencers or creators whose audiences align with your niche. Offer free products or affiliate links with commissions to incentivize influencers. Leverage paid social media ads. Run targeted ads to get your products in front of a larger audience. Create a content calendar. Plan your posts ahead of time to stay consistent and on brand. Schedule in things like product launches, seasonal campaigns, and regular content posts. Build trust with UGC. Create a community and set up challenges, giveaways, and encourage customers to share photos and videos of your products in use. Loyal customers are the foundation of a sustainable and profitable POD business. Repeat customers aren't only a source of consistent revenue, but also cost less to retain compared to acquiring new ones. By nurturing strong customer relationships and providing additional value through loyalty programs, personalized touches, and regular updates, you can turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. For example, you could create limited edition designs exclusive to Metalhead members. Keep trendy teens coming back with seasonal decor updates, or reward adventurers for repeat purchases. By building a community and providing incentives for loyalty, you're ensuring customers not just come back, but also spread the word about your products. Experiment with these strategies if you're a beginner. Offer a first purchase incentive. Motivate customers to come back with a small discount or bonus after their first order. Start an email list to nurture relationships. Set up a simple email system with a tool like MailChimp or Klaviyo and offer a discount or freebie for signing up. Use it to share exclusive sneak peeks of upcoming product launches. Create extra interaction with thoughtful messaging. Include package inserts with your orders thanking the buyer, or add a discount code to keep the relationship going. Try repeat purchase campaigns like buy one, get one 20% off, or free shipping for returning customers. And our growth strategies for experienced sellers. Implement a loyalty program. Reward customers for purchases, reviews, or referrals with a points-based loyalty program. Build a subscription model for consistent revenue. Create a subscription service where customers receive exclusive products monthly or seasonally. This model works especially well for consumer goods like supplements, coffee, and beauty and skincare products. Launch exclusive collections for repeat buyers. Reward returning customers by giving them early access to new launches or exclusive products. Send targeted emails to foster relationships. Target returning customers with special offers and tailored product suggestions. To bring it all home, if you're just starting out on your POD journey, focus on building a strong foundation. Choose one platform and a small product lineup. Start small, master it, and take on the next challenge. If you're already selling and seeing consistent results, it's time to diversify your channels. Think about launching a standalone store on Shopify or expanding to bigger marketplaces like Amazon to reach even more customers. No matter your level, walk away with these final 3 tips. Embrace analytics. Regularly review your sales data to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Network with other POD sellers through online communities for shared tips and support. Printify Sellers Club and our POD Rockstars Facebook group are great starters. And keep learning. Stay updated on all platform changes and industry trends. And we've got you covered. Tune into our live Clicks to Riches show where Martin and I share everything you need to know to grow your print-on-demand business. And if you ever have questions, we're always ready to chat in the comments. Ready to dive deeper? Check out this video to get a taste of the juicy POD news we share regularly.